Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Technoterabyte. I will show you step by step how to delete your Google account forever and the right way. First, go to your Google account, then manage your account. Just search for delete account. Enter your password to verify it's really you. If you forget the password, leave a comment to teach you how to reset password. Then click next. Before you continue, this is important. Deleting your account will remove Gmail emails and Google Photo and YouTube and everything. Now you will see two checkbox. Tick both of them to confirm you understand what will be deleted. Then last step, click on delete account. And that's it. Your Google account is gone. If you need help with anything, just drop it in the comments. I read everything. And if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tip guides.